Hi everyone! Today I have a fun Halloween treat idea. Chocolate pretzel spider webs. This is such an easy homemade Halloween treat. No bacon required. They're sweet, salty, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for kids and any Halloween themed party. We'll need pretzel sticks, your favorite kind of chocolate, Halloween sprinkles, and a bit of parchment paper. Cut the pretzel sticks in half. Then take a piece of parchment paper and arrange 8 pretzel sticks in a starburst pattern. Melt the chocolate, transfer to a piping bag, and snip off a small corner. Starting in the center of each spider web, pipe a good blob of chocolate. This will help hold the pretzel sticks together. Then spiral the melted chocolate outward in the circular motion to form the web. While the chocolate is still warm, sprinkle some decorations on top. Place them in the fridge until the chocolate is completely set. And that's it. Our delicious Halloween pretzel webs are ready to enjoy. I hope you found this video helpful and give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you next time.